Alright YouTube, one more video of the Asiana Airbus A350-900. Got a very nice aircraft here, right by the exit row. Now ma'am, I think because this is an exit seat, you would guess just use this to connect to. Yeah, very nice Airbus. I don't even know if the consoles are next to us. Oh, you have an electrical outlet next to that one. I wonder if I got one next to mine. No, on this one on the bottom, is there an electrical outlet or is there not? How do you get it? How do you get it out? How do you get the electrical outlet out of it? How do you